Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Tesla Model X windshield wipers. First, access service mode through your car's touchscreen. This crucial step moves the wiper arms to a service position, preventing any accidental damage to your vehicle's paint or glass. Make sure you have your new wiper blades ready and a soft towel to protect the windshield during the entire process. With the wiper arms now safely in service position, carefully lift one arm away from the glass. You'll notice a small tab where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to release the locking mechanism, and then slide the old wiper blade straight off. Repeat this exact process for the other side, always being careful not to let the arm snap back onto the windshield. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade on until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Ensure it rests properly. Do this for both sides to complete the installation. After both new blades are installed and secured, return to your car's touchscreen and exit service mode. The wiper arms will then gracefully return to their normal resting position. Finally, activate your wipers to test them thoroughly. Check for smooth operation, clear, streak-free visibility across your windshield, and ensure no unusual noises are present.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.